Alright, and welcome back to the shed. Today we've got this big box here. It is a Bosch EasyGrassCut. It's a corded grass trimmer, and I've got to put it on the side because it's so big. If you look like that, you can see that like that. It's lightweight, semi-automatic, adjustable handle, and the plant protector. I think the plant protector is that little bar that goes on. I've always used it as an edge guard. So this was from Argos. I think this was 38 quid. I got this as a replacement for one of these original Bosches. I've had one of these. So this is a new one that's going to replace the old one. For the simple fact is that the old one, the dog chewed the plug on it and the wire lead. And because I'd had it a while and it was a bit stuffed, I thought, you know what, it's been a good little strimmer, I'll get another one. So I did. So in the box, I think it's going off. First thing you got is the 3-year guarantee. One of the guarantees against dogs chewing it. Extended guarantee for up to 4 weeks after purchase. Create an account. Scan blah blah blah. That's just purchase information. Here's the Bosch. There's 2 of these. What's this one then? Actually, I have no idea what it is. I think that's just the addresses of Bosch. EasyGrassCut. I think this is just, well, that's in Arabic. Just the bits of warnings on this about when not to use it, where to use it, etc, etc. Multi-language. Gives you a rundown on what the points are. Put that there. There's not a lot to show you really, so I'll do the unboxing and then I can show you how it works in the real world. This is the guard. Look at this. Take that, put that there with the rest of the junk. So this fits at the back of the strimmer, and that part there is the plant guard, which moves in and out. Depends how much of the plant you want to keep. It's quite handy for if you're against the wall and you want to keep, you want to save the line a bit, because if you hit the concrete with a strimmer line, you're going to cut it. So if you put that against the wall, you know that's your limit, and then the actual line won't wear away so quickly. You've got the lead. There's one half of it. Out there. And it comes in 3 parts. I don't know if you can see that. So look. If you can see that, it comes in 3 parts. You can see that. Yeah. It comes in 3 parts. There's the bottom part there. And what I'll do, I'll set this up. There's the head of it there, like that. There's the strimmer lead, strimmer attachment. Inside here, I don't know if you can see this. That's where the actual strimmer wire goes. And this here, it's semi-automatic, as in once it's been cut, you press that, it'll let out a certain length of cable. So watch this now. See that there? That's a bit big now. So some decent cable with it as well. They're quite robust, to be fair. They're not heavy, which is, if anybody knows, after a while these things do tend to get heavy. So what I'll do now is I'll fix this all up, put it together, and I'll show you it working on the edges of something outside. So let's get this thing dirty then. Alright, let's get this thing out the box. Put that over there. It comes in 3 parts, and it should just clip. Let's have a look here. This comes off. This is just a thing to So that'll just simply click in that, press that little nipple, and that's that one done. And the same with this one. Take out the old grommet, put it to the side, set it in, line it up so that circle is there, that hole is there, put it to there, line it up, press the button, a little bit stiff, there you go, that's it. And that's the whole thing there. Putting the cover on this is very simple. Just slot it into there. You've got one small screw there. Just tighten that up as you go along. And it's all guided. And once it goes in so far, don't over screw it, or you might want to take this off and you won't have a screw head to do it. And that's it. Set this to whatever size you want. If you look at the size of your wire there and how much you want to cut, so if you pull against that, you'll have a certain length. On the end of there, there's a piece of metal. What that does, if the wire is too long, it'll cut it. Once it hits there, that wire will cut that. So it'll be roughly that end, that length, and then it's ready to go. Alright, I've set the string. I don't know if you can see that. There's that angle on there. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So here we go. So I'm just going to string this part here for you. There we go, dirty now. I'll give it a clean before I put it in the shed. As you can see, the only thing I would imagine is the lead isn't that long, so you need an extension lead. So it's about 5 meters, something like that. But all in all, it's a cracking little strimmer. It's the Bosch EasyGrassCut, and you can get it in Argos. Till the next time, take care.